The hair feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so mammy tapping good, okay?
Because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey honey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I am here with another one. I'm coming on through with the unit from Hurela Hair. We've already done a unit by them before. We love their hair. I absolutely love their hair. It's some companies that I work with consistently that I'm just like chef's kiss, and Hurela Hair is one of them. So Hurela Hair, make every girl afford beautiful hair, period, poo. So Hurela Hair has provided us with a V-part highlight balayage body wave baby, okay? Now, you know they love to give mother. I must be really getting these V-parts together because they love to give them to me, okay? Now, this unit is currently going for, it's 26 inches long, okay? This unit is 26 inches long. She's currently going for $267, which actually for a 26-inch unit, human hair unit, that's actually very, very, very good. So let's get into the cap construction. This V-part has 4 clips at the top. Okay, get into it. And then she has 2 combs on the side. Doesn't she have a clip in the middle? A clip in the middle. Okay, make sure she's secure, ho. And then one at the bottom with adjustable straps. What kind of forever? What kind of forever? Okay, so I expect for this to be a really easy one. I actually already the front, y'all, my hair is getting so she is tired of me putting heat on her. So when I tell you I'm turning down V-part wigs for like the next 3 months, don't even send them my way. My hair in the back down here, and then the front is right here. I'm tired, but that's okay. Okay, unless it's a kinky one, but that's okay, because she looks absolutely positively worth it. So I'm just going to throw her on and see what she's working with. Huh. Really beautiful, like really beautiful. I'm just gonna go in. Y'all see that? Damn, I'm so pissed about this. So I'm just gonna go on through. The texture of this hair is stunning, okay? Like super lightweight, I mean super lightweight, very silky, okay? Which is really nice, but thick. So I'm just gonna, and the cap construction is really big hair friendly. So just if for the girls in the back that's a little bit worried, you'll for sure feel safe in this one. I'm gonna go on through and curl her up. I know you guys are like $267 for a daggone V-part wig. Yes, however, but and Hurela Hair is always having a sale. First things first. Second thing, guess what they got now, y'all? Quad pay. Now, you know the girls, the material girls love to break their panties up in full, okay? I don't give a damn if it costs me $20. Here go to $5, okay? So don't you worry, there are options for you to get your beautiful hair, and Hurela Hair is coming to you with the solution. I'm going to go on through. I'm just going to give her a little bit of zhuzh. Y'all know how I do. And I'm going to see you on the other side. we're back with Nadula Hair's oh my god, guys, we're back with Hurela Hair's balayage V-part wig. I'm really into this. The texture of this hair is absolutely stunning. I really enjoy curling her up. Yeah, so I took her off and put her on a mannequin head. I thought it might be a little bit easier to get done what we needed to get done. But mama is giving. I really do be getting these V-parts together. It's annoying because I'm just trying to preserve my hair. However, I do love how natural these turn out. Like, I just love this. Look at the texture. Look at this. This is absolutely positively stunning. Like, it really is beautiful. The hair feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so mammy tapping good, okay? Like, I don't want to keep running my finger through it because I get that like oily thing and I don't want to do that to it. However, it feels wonderful. You guys need to check this out. The way that the balayage highlights of this is so perfect for my face, for my skin color, for my $267. They have quad pay for all the girls in the back that clutch their pearls, okay? This unit is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna turn around. You guys let me know if you can see my tracks in the back. Can you see my tracks, girlfriend? Absolutely stunning. It is absolutely positively stunning. I'm so happy with how this unit turned out. I'm so happy with the color. I'm so happy with the hair. I'm so happy with the curls. I'm just happy. I just love this color. Hurela hair, when you turn this into like a full wig, like a, I need it. I don't want it. I need it. I need it because I'm going to hook this up. This is like me. This is all me. Like, this is how I should be vibing. You understand what I'm saying? You picking up what I'm putting down? If you have not already, press down, subscribe to this wonderful channel, okay? Come on back, hang out with your girl, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.